Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's SHIB video update for Monday 29th of August. And I'm looking at SHIB. SHIB is pretty much in danger right now. We've been through this in yesterday's video. A new week has actually opened up, so let's actually observe the weekly time frame for the sake of observing the weekly. And I'm looking at SHIB right now. There's a big sell-off, really big sell-off right now, and I do expect this week to actually turn red. And if it does that, then we're talking about 3 black crows. There could be possibility of SHIB making that 3 black crows. So let's actually bring in Google once again right there. So this is the 3 black crows that I actually did search for you out there. So when you do see those 3 red candles back to back, you're gonna get a continuation pattern. So yesterday I did talk about the bear flag and how the bear flag technical targets does take down SHIB to 969. So if you do actually come down to 969 due to that bear flag and close at this level in the next 6 days on a weekly time frame, then my friend, you're putting in 3 black crows. And what's going to happen is that you're going to have a small pullback, maybe back to 1100, and then finally start to drop to the downside. You're going to have a small relief, a little bit of relief for maybe some few days, and then try to move up. And it does make sense because by the time you do come at 900 level, you're going to see SHIB being absolutely oversold, right? So that's the weekly, by the way. And let's get into the daily right now. And the daily, once again, here we are. And that's pretty much what I was talking about in the last videos as well. So this was your flag right over there. The flag has been broken out. It's pretty much confirmed. And from there, we're looking for SHIB to basically go from here to here. And that's going to be a technical target. Once again, reassuring you the status here, 937. Now, the highest you will even go for SHIB is actually go back to that pole, okay? You go back and try to break the flag itself, and if you do break the flag and go up to 1500 and hold the 1400 as well, and then you're gonna actually start to move higher, and that bear flag is gonna be cancelled completely. So if that is not happening, then be very careful because everything pretty much looks really bad, and September is not a good month historically for Bitcoin. Okay, do watch the Bitcoin update and understand why September is not a good month for Bitcoin. And that's pretty much it for this update on SHIB. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.